Wetin could do Tito Villanova 100 points now.
In fact,
we don't make a choice. Alaves for maybe I don't more than you
because no that relegation.
Yeah, or the relegation zone more and reach Barcelona. I think in the last 3 or 4 times or more winning Spanish La Liga before the season in bend. You know, say Ebani say Biana. The next match need us all draw no Lucy. Genuinely, me very confident say Alaves for a moment here they can get something out of the game and they did. But you can't fault Barcelona. There's all you know why every other thing is miscellaneous. I think say for yesterday was a good win for them. And one thing was confirmed in the City Crystal Palace game, no? And it's the fact say for another season, Josep Guardiola in a league will not finish below 3rd place. We say 12 times were the first, 2 times were the second, 2 times another second, another third. It say Pep year Juma no we see for no year Juma. Edding. Season over below 3rd. That is serious record.
League in bed too much is not
yeah.
And also say where I obia goal difference now.
Yeah.
City have signed Arsenal by 1.
Yeah.
If say me correct.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I'm checking on her because I know City share 3, right?
Share 3 goals.
Yeah.
City was 75 goals. Arsenal 68 goals. Arsenal conceded 26. City are conceded 35.
So goal difference, you know.
Yeah.
City near 43.
Yeah.
And Arsenal near 42.
Exactly.
Okay.
That separation it makes it very close. Then you come down to the games that have been left to play. Arsenal match Saka. Arsenal Burnley they say Agbena.
Arsenal Bohum.
Arsenal Bohum on Burnley. Burnley relegated.
Oh, and yeah. Mon Arsenal.
Is the first 3 points. Then Arsenal last match on the Crystal Palace away at the Selhurst Park. Which a bit do no. Arsenal too much when you're 6 point review. For me, Arsenal won the league. Arsenal too much is not canon. Or Burnley. Burnley is relegated. When you look at Crystal Palace, who could have stand in front of them and prevented them from winning the league now? It's Crystal Palace are doing now Conference League. So now make catch you. Oliver Glasner say he will not make anybody a favor. But then again, he focus on Conference League. So, Oba and Wababa Beje a trophy here at Crystal Palace for. He would want to give them European trophy. And they are playing against a side that they can beat in Rayo Vallecano. It's not going to be easy. But they can beat Rayo in the final. So the focus for Crystal Palace is going to be in the Conference League final. Rather than focusing on game relegation or so in my opinion, and given that Arsenal for have faced this last part of the season, Rich, they are going to win those games, no? And I think that they will get a 6 points now to be able to go into it and then get themselves the English Premier League title. And then Manchester City will come in and then take our City will 2-3 games. City weekend way ever against Chelsea in the English FA Cup. And only the Fan Tunchen. But in the league or against Bournemouth away. Antonio Ariola
stubborn side.
Yes, Rich. And I wish table now. Bournemouth Europa. Either so about Conference League, Europa League, even Champions League will qualify, depending on what happens at Aston Villa and Freiburg in the Europa League final and where Aston Villa finishes. So game can't be tricky for City away at the Vitality. Then the last game is going to be against Aston Villa.
Oh, yeah.
The last game is going to be
because the 2 games now City Babon, very tricky games.
Yeah.
Unai my head table no.
Other fifth is see actually table no so. Other fifth.
So it means that also at least on your Champions League.
Yes.
It is on your 7 points now. Let me kushino.
Ebe secure no so about Champions League. Be person be train. Now go Europa League final with Freiburg now and Korea next one miss out on Champions League. So they would want to finish it in the league. So Man City have really crucial games, Rich.
Arsenal League.
Yeah. And now so person who say City for now have 10 focus to the FA Cup how many Chelsea beba. Which go back and look at yesterday's game how many Crystal Palace a boy, you know. And no winning by 3-0, right? But then look at the starting lineup of City the boy. Matthias Nunes, Abdelkader Kosinov, Mark Gay, Josko Guardiola, Phil Foden, Bernardo Silva, Ryan Nori, Savinho, Semenyo, and Marmouche. You can count as many as 5 players on your regular starters with team. Phil Foden this season has not been a starter. Omar Mamouche has been on the bench. Ryan Eldon is same. Abranti Efreno, Savino same. And then even Josko Gvardiol who has been injured. Now the focus of Manchester City has turned, in my opinion, to the English FA Cup because for Rodri, Rodri Kram Mapak not Rodri Tiffy, or Resti Haaland, or Resti Czech, or Resti all the important players that he will need for the big game against Chelsea. It's him say for the Premier League, immediately West Ham could not do them a favor. So you need to turn attention to the FA Cup, especially because Chelsea are one whole week resting and preparing for the game. Whilst for them, they had to play in midweek and they hope to go and play in some match. And after the game, Pepe say Osha, the players no traveling as we call London, every Manchester, to Kwanya the players they be break. And they have to focus on the English FA Cup. They would want to win it. Ombe person be winning FA Cup. Na English crowd. At least a double England the Omaji. In his final season, what may look like his final season or no ajede. In my opinion, I do agree with you to say Obana English League English Premier League party. Arsenal are gone. I don't see how it's going to turn anyhow around for them. Our English Premier League. I think that they are going to go on and then go and win it. Now sa coaches in Sengsemia, Rich, Anope, yes, Chelsea for no, enya a green light on our brand friend Xabi Alonso. Now, a Kamia Koye say Alonso is going to get a clean sweep to the Chelsea job because Omujiri say he fits the criteria. But we were saying Bakoka, whether it is Alonso, whether it is Areola, whether it is Marco Silva, which my campaign, I'll say it again. Whoever becomes the Chelsea manager, Chelsea for no wasudi bakope. They have one responsibility. So omoyama say ni pano. And yes, no matter who becomes the coach, it won't work out.
I know you had it.
Nipo ba be fair juma no. Who say mama starting to say Abraham Maresca be fair juma no mo engineering. And of course, he ain't engineering because his body of work was not enough to give him the keys to Chelsea and say that okay, who be the key figure or rebuild him. Which uni madi bako. Say players on mobile board. Esho mutrim say manager na or coach no. Or no, every footballing decision be on the take care. I am adding for them to disrespect that manager. Say players number one. Esho mutrim say the sporting directors and the owners listen to the manager. I am adding for them say. Now look at even Chelsea and look at Madrid. Immediately when the Madrid players knew that for them, Florentino Perez will go fully for the players. Madrid players, if they don't agree with who coach now, they can easily turn up on you. Now it is very, very important. Maresca not only enough to show that Chelsea can give him the keys, Leicester City and all of those things. But with time, he had gotten to the point where Chelsea should have given him 100% or maybe 80% autonomy in a Jumana no and a Chelsea for one which baby akuna babedruno. Whoever Chelsea appoint as manager, they should be 100% sure say at least within the pool of managers that are available, no, honor the best because Manchester United early need towards keeping Michael Carrick. Liverpool wants to keep Anna Slot. Madrid most likely are going to go for Jose Mourinho as it is clear. So, in terms of managerial availability, it looks as if Xabi Alonso is the main guy that can get the Chelsea job. Which the manner they have to give him 100% support and then give him the keys to build a Stamford Bridge. So, I can't give him the keys. What do I mean? Which sporting director cannot make decisions alone or more power in decision making in terms of player purchasing and recruitment than the coach. Say, you say player we all ban. Joe Shields na ni mono and Joe Shields and I overrule coach no and the number Debbie because maybe one man Alonso kita rich it is better as compared to when Maresca was coming. In case Alonso you better cool than Maresca. It is better as compared to when Maresca was coming. Abraham Maresca ebano not only the experience of Alonso. It's experience no. Now the experience boss has been checked. Yes, one coaching Madrid 4 years, or coaching Bayern for Leverkusen for 2 seasons, and then coaching Madrid for almost half a season. But in all of that, the results are also good. Which in terms of tactical adaptability, or bossing and Maresca bon maybe omunya positional play. However, no adjust kakra. Onya as predictable as you call Maresca to be. Again, Rich, set personality, aura, experience as a player, baby, why you drew the laurels. See a Bonnie Ding Jabi Alonso, right now, what he represents, Jabi has it too. But the most important, and if Chelsea can give him good amount of say in the running of the club, which Soma and Yenis I'm telling you, another season will come. Chelsea fans will cry. Chelsea fans will say that your club and they say it is because in as much say in football you can't give a coach total autonomy. You need to at least get them involved at least in decision making.
But when you say Dana Okas asked in the Champions, oh, that was the situation at Chelsea. No? Yeah. I was like, really?
Yeah.
Say sporting directors at the players name bar.
Yeah.
Who coach, you know, wait me a cabinet, but
the
final decision and you're almost sporting directors. And that's wrong.
Yeah.
Because at the end of the day, player na yakofan nabano. Of course, when you say they are sporting directors, you know, omo numbers.
Yeah.
The data is there.
Yeah.
Omo puli data no.
Yeah.
Omo share bibia and sana.
Yeah.
Omo the player need naba. But you see, I don't say me kasa ni di goalkeeper so nkomo.
Yeah.
And then I make say, goalkeeper bi honma. Ebia optis no.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah.
Oni born a chain ya but your name kitin bi be a goalkeeper trainer no. And so pay in the goalkeeper. Ebia sa goalkeeper no ni bi.
Yeah, of course.
And you might think so and the goalkeeper trainer no go onya de. But some one or two year maybe and sana who's a brand to me we project na me no. So what I'm saying is that so your sporting director with all numbers data be pulling at the end no at the end of the day a coach in the equation.
Of course. We need to mass at the end Chelsea for no money. We say all across Europe. It is difficult for me to pinpoint a club or multi-sporting director structure. Chelsea Penner was in the assistants now off the top of my head. So okay, let me know. But Oko Barcelona is Deco. Oko what's the name? Liverpool. They've gone back to the people that they knew already. Manchester United, Wilcox more, but it is not sporting directors be. You go back to Manchester City.
Chelsea came in.
Chelsea, you're about 5.
Hey,
yeah.
And I saw them 2 players.
Chelsea were apart from the regular trainer you know, almost Shields, almost Wayne Stanley, almost one other guy. No, I'm saying Sam Jewell, no one other guy, almost 5.
Wow.
Almost co-sporting directors. And I quite say, the amount and who can say rich clubs be to say RB Monia, they are no more multiple sporting directors no. I know almost technical director, you're munina boss.
Yeah.
Iti who coach sporting directors the moya majumeri ya. Then the reports that come out sporting director. Then the sporting director now goes to the coach
and brief him.
Then he said, "Oh, wait a minute, in film. Ebi a when Suban bi ada no koda no madam for coach bi say boy we no. I thought be muade kakra. Nti we dey odimbo no bo data na ye dey. But adibo dey say need data. Nti yen for no nchen. Chelsea don't have a technical director that will brief Maresca or whoever the coach is. He said if Chelsea will go with this, they need a technical director. Or they need to promote one of them as a technical director who will deal directly with the coach. The coach is giving a proper autonomy in building of the squad. Which and yes, the Obeka Semekai. We will go through a season again. Chelsea boys, many bedrooms are still Chelsea match to be.
Because I had the wrong coffee. One thing I've seen in football, and they say, some sporting directors near the Nubokum no are affiliated to a particular agency.
Most of them they are.
And to be anytime be no for players free agents or no cut. You know, no on Jane carbon hole. The cat no be
say one G cat to crana for most of these sporting directors or serve player an interest. In the end, you would want the player to get good things on them. Another clear cut example, which Oko Bastuna, Pini Zahavi, or the agent of Hansi Flick and the agent of Robert Lewandowski.
So you see?
So regardless of anything, there is a possibility that Pini Zahavi would want his 2 clients to work together. Obianka said that is what is going on. But agents obviously are representing the interest of these players, and of course they would want them to be successful, baby or mobile. And new to Chelsea needs a technical director who becomes a superior to all of these things. Richna, never say me bisau. Are you part of the school of thought of carrick in or carrick out?
question will be some da. I'm catch you say. Carrick buy no. Nyamien no kwenu aye adwuma. Aye adwuma pa. But I think na adwuma na why ni nyina no. To me, me denka sen company for beti pa. Yaman 1 year bi na ehwa de.
Another 1 year. Yeah. Na say Carrick, me o ka say tan Carrick ba no. Story be by say Carrick so no kra adwuma no pen a long term. Obeso be
say do nya long term ope.
Say san no le dey mu. Be dey ka mu. I say dey be mo so open short term. Short term say.
Only say ada be yi adwuse be pam no be win game. Match was way much lose only be pam.
Right, I think that it is only right off the back of the results at Carrick Kenya no. Say obitimi work which again we United near one shiny already be baby and club no.
Sure.
The team was somewhere around 15 this season. Saturday not Chelsea that third. It is a string of results, if not for nothing. Me idea come here very confident with Michael Carrick as a coach is the fact that his backroom staff do compliment him.
Okay.
Steve Holland for one, he very much experienced with the Chelsea team. And he knows the terrain, work with the English national team.
Okay.
And ASI experience no the aba and it's important to keep Michael Carrick at least for the next half of the season.
Yeah.
Not watch build a team for him. Let's see preseason. Which Mami fancy now. Maybe say me a question pe. Florentino Perez say a preseason in Tina Madrid de Breno. Any see to preseason ya move. And a Perez nko. Say Perez Madrid am more preseason more preseason. It's preseason. You first one and guys no FR11 odds there but Oko Fiifi Manfred on social media and those albums are coaching your go on and then you may Spanish La Liga games or until the young Kobe.
Okay. Aya, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Now to saying, what partner we need to know as a we know.